Welcome back to Next Car Lunch. What if Tesla's next big vehicle could combine the practicality of a pickup with the low running costs of an EV, while targeting buyers who want serious value without paying luxury-level ownership costs? The 2027 Tesla Model 9 is surrounded by huge expectations. But here's the interesting part. If Tesla brings this vehicle to market as expected, its biggest advantage may not be speed or technology. It could be how much money it saves you every year. Before we go further, remember that the Tesla Model 9 has not been officially confirmed with complete production specifications, so the pricing and features discussed here are estimates based on the expected positioning of this future Tesla vehicle. For the United States, a reasonable estimated starting price could be around $65,000, with higher trims potentially reaching $80,000 or more. In Japan, an estimated converted price could start around 10 to 11 million yen before local taxes and fees. For American export markets, including parts of the Middle East and other international markets, final pricing could vary significantly because of shipping, taxes, registration, and local regulations. So why would buyers consider a Model 9 instead of a traditional pickup? The first reason is running cost. An electric vehicle does not use gasoline, which immediately changes the ownership equation. For American drivers covering thousands of miles every year, charging at home can cost considerably less than regularly filling a large gasoline pickup. Real-world range will depend on battery size, weather, speed, payload, and driving style. But if Tesla delivers a long-range battery, this could become a vehicle capable of handling daily commuting and long highway trips without constant charging stops. For small business owners, that difference could become even more important. Imagine using the Model 9 for deliveries, equipment transportation, service calls, or daily commercial driving. Instead of budgeting for frequent gasoline purchases, owners could spend more on electricity and potentially reduce energy costs over the long term. Maintenance could also be a major advantage. EVs generally have fewer traditional mechanical components than gasoline vehicles, meaning there is no conventional engine oil change, spark plug replacement, or exhaust system to maintain. However, tires, brakes, suspension components, battery systems, and electronics still require attention, and Tesla's service costs can vary depending on the repair. Long-term ownership is where this vehicle could become especially interesting. If the battery remains healthy and the vehicle receives regular software support, owners could potentially keep it for many years. But depreciation is still an important question. Tesla vehicles can experience changing resale values, and the Model 9 would face the same challenge. Strong demand, long battery life, and continued software support could help resale value, while rapid EV technology changes could push older models down in price. Insurance is another factor American buyers should consider. A high-value EV with expensive sensors, cameras, electronics, and body components may not always be cheap to insure or repair. Buyers should compare insurance quotes before purchasing. Spare parts availability will also depend heavily on Tesla's service network and local parts supply, particularly in export markets. On city roads, the Model 9 could make sense because electric motors deliver smooth and immediate power. In traffic, there is no traditional gears shifting, making acceleration simple and effortless. For narrow American streets, parking areas, and crowded commercial zones, strong cameras and driver assistance technology could make daily driving easier, although drivers should never depend completely on automated systems. On highways, the big question will be range and comfort. If Tesla gives the Model 9 a long-range battery and a comfortable suspension, it could become an excellent road trip and business vehicle. For load carrying, the real test will be its payload and towing capability. Until Tesla confirms official specifications, buyers should treat those numbers as unknown. Compared with the Ford F-150 Lightning, the Model 9 could have a strong value argument if Tesla offers competitive range, efficient charging, useful cargo capacity, and lower everyday energy costs. The Ford brings proven pickup heritage and a familiar American truck design, while Tesla could focus more heavily on technology, efficiency, and software. Ultimately, The 2027 Tesla Model 9 could be one of the most interesting future EVs for American buyers, especially people who want a vehicle that works for commuting, business, deliveries, and everyday family use. But until Tesla officially reveals the production version, remember that everything beyond confirmed information remains an estimate. If you enjoyed this look at the possible 2027 Tesla Model 9, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car updates, future EV launches, and upcoming vehicle news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.